Welcome to Everyday English Practice Channel, your fun and powerful space to learn real English for daily life. Perfect for beginners to intermediate learners, students, merchants, travelers, teachers, and anyone who wants to speak English with confidence.
Did you know listening leads to speaking English? Follow me and see how it works. Get your ears ready to listen. Let us begin. Don't try to understand everything. Just listen. Your English will improve naturally. Everyone starts here. Today is your first step. Stop learning English the hardest way. You don't learn English by memorizing grammar first. You learn English the same way as children do. There is a natural order to the skills. Let me explain to you. Listening comes first, then speaking, reading, and writing follow in turn. Before you speak, you must hear English. Think about babies. They listen for months before they speak, absorbing sounds and meanings. They hear words repeatedly long before they attempt to use them. Listening helps them recognize patterns, rhythm, and pronunciation. Only after this long period of listening do they begin to form words. This natural process shows that understanding comes before expression. That is how language really works. Listening trains your ears, your pronunciation, your natural English rhythm. Just listen. Don't speak yet. I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I drink water. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go to work. I stay at work all day. I stay at work all day. I come home. I come home. I take 15 minutes rest. I take 15 minutes rest. I read a fictional book. I read a fictional book. I eat my dinner. I eat my dinner. I sleep at night. I sleep at night. Very good. Did you listen carefully to all the sentences I said? Don't worry. Listening is learning. Now, let us speak together. Speak slowly. Speak loudly. Now, repeat after me. I wake up in the morning. Repeat. I brush my teeth. Repeat. I wash my face. Repeat. I drink water. Repeat. I eat breakfast. Repeat. I go to work. Repeat. I stay at work all day. Repeat. I come home. Repeat. I take 15 minutes rest. Repeat. I read a fictional book. Repeat. I eat my dinner. Repeat. I sleep at night. Repeat. Very good. Now, repeat with me the longer, connected sentences above. I wake up in the morning. Repeat. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Repeat. I drink water and eat breakfast. Repeat. I go to work and stay there all day. Repeat. I come home in the evening and take 15 minutes rest. Repeat. After I reading a fictional book, I eat my dinner. Repeat. Finally, I sleep at night. Repeat. Great job. You are speaking English. Now, listen carefully and try to answer the questions on your own. What time do you wake up? You can say, I wake up early in the morning. What do you do in the morning? You can answer, I wash my hands and my face. Do you eat breakfast? Say, yes, I eat my breakfast. What do you do in the evening? I take 15 minutes rest and eat my dinner. How many hours do you stay at work? I stay at work all day. What do you do before sleeping? I read a fictional book. What time do you sleep? I sleep at 9 p.m. Excellent, you are practicing well. Look at you. You listened. You spoke. You didn't give up. This is how English starts. Practice every day. Small steps. Big confidence. Keep speaking English. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment for more impressive content.